Happy New Year, Business Academy fam. Kicking off the new year, myself and Kelly and the Business Academy are coming back to the West Coast, January 23rd to the 25th. We're heading to the high desert in Phoenix, Arizona. We cannot wait to see you. In the next couple minutes, I want to share with you the agenda of what you and your team can expect when you attend this week's workshop. January 24th and 25th, Friday and Saturday, myself and Kelly Hudson are going to bring you all the goodies for this year's Rockin' Workshop in Phoenix, Arizona. First thing Friday morning from 9 to 10:30, I'm going to share with you the secrets and the systems to dominating health fairs in 2025 for tons of corporate new patients in your office. Not for you as a doctor to do, but for your team members and marketers to do in your community today as you rock your new patient strategy for Q1 of next year. Our next segment Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, myself and Cindy have been doing secret shopper calls as new patients to Business Academy practices around the country. And you know what? Not a single person has gotten an A+ yet. That's right. Not a single person has effectively answered and converted potential new patients into your practice. You are spending thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars to get that phone to ring. I am going to be training you, your office managers, your front desk staff, your marketers, everybody on mastering the new patient phone call. All the questions, all the concerns, all the objections that your front desk gets from new patients, I want to drill and practice it so each front desk and team member of yours knows how to schedule new patients effectively and get them into your office as paid patients coming in. Friday afternoon, questions that close, even the minimizer. I'm going to give you guys 25 plus hard-hitting questions to ask your new patients when they're minimizing their condition, to open them up, raise their awareness, and get them more committed onto the solution you have in front of them. Dr. Gary always tells us the quality of your questions determines the quality of your answers. This is going to be key for your case managers, your new patient chiropractic assistants, you as a closer, your associate doctors, and everybody in your practice to ask the right questions that have the right impact with your new patients to get them closer to a yes. And from 4 to 5 on Friday, we're going to go over how to reduce patient drop-off and increase retention so you have a practice full of wellness patients. This is going to be key from front desk to doctor table talk and everything in between, and ensuring you have patients that are staying on care for life and enjoying the health and wellness that comes along with it. Then Saturday, you do not want to miss this. First thing in the morning, reverse engineer leaky buckets in your collections. This is going to be super important for practice owners, office managers, and anybody responsible for collecting payments from patients. This can be front desk, billing staff, case managers, or anybody else. I'm going to list with you guys up to 40 leaky buckets that could be happening in your practice as to why you're not collecting what you should be, how to diagnose that, put in a plan of action to solve it, and make sure you're collecting better in 2025. After lunch on Saturday, I'm going to be sharing with you how to master your time, not the other way around. I'm going to share with you advanced time management principles so you as a busy practice owner, a busy office manager, a busy executive can better take control of your time to get the most important things done and move your practice forward in 2025. And the last segment from 4 to 5 on Saturday, this is going to be key. Listen, labor costs are going up on payroll. We get it. That's the market today. Are you leveraging interns effectively to get the small work done so your most important team members are getting the most important work done? I'm going to share with you how to launch an intern program for any department in your practice. That way, the little things that need to get done can be handled by interns, and the more important things are handled by your A+ staff. So I'm going to walk you through A to Z, how to implement that program in your office. So office managers, practice owners, you got to be in this final segment to get the secret sauce, the checklist, and the implementation for getting an effective intern program in your office being set. So there you have it. Our Business Academy January Arizona workshop is right around the corner for 2025. Kick off your year right. Let's take your practice to the next level. Bring your entire team. 3 days of a training center, 2-day workshop. Let's make it happen. Call Cindy, confirm you and your entire team to join us again, January 23rd to the 25th, 2025 for our first workshop of the year on the West Coast in the high desert. Escape the snow. Come join us. We'll see you guys there.